Hello, hello, hello. I was just processing some things in ListPerfectly, and I thought the world needs to see how great this is. So come take a look with me as I figure out how to share my screen while recording. The new ListPerfectly Pro Plus plan is only available to Pro users, which you can upgrade to anytime, and they will prorate it for your month. And you have to be in the referral program. It won't be available to anybody else for another like 3 or 4 weeks. So pro plan users that are signed up for the referral program, which is free and takes 2 minutes, and then you can upgrade again for free to Pro Plus and have some awesome new features that they're trying out. And then after your 3 month trial of Pro Plus, it'll just bring you back to your Pro plan, and you can change to whatever plan you like, or you can upgrade back to Pro Plus for the new fee that it's going to be. But I just wanted to show you some of these. I was cross-listing a few things. There is this monkey mechanics vintage cartoon that I had come in on consignment. It was framed. I had no idea how to describe this. I generally just take my title, copy it, and add a couple points. So they will suggest descriptions from your title now, descriptions and tags. So from this, it got this. Like, I love this AI. This is fantastic. Sometimes it'll say perfect for this or guaranteed that take those words out. Like, there's still things that you need to play around with and move out of these. But I just can't believe that from framed monkey cartoon grand pops super service and limited center apes mechanic, it came up with this framed monkey cartoon, and then it has the rest of the title, is a fun, unique piece of art. It's playful take on a classic mechanic theme, perfect for children's room or quirky home decor. Fun, playful design, unique mechanic theme, ideal for children's room, quirky home decor piece, framed for durability, which it definitely is. It was nailed in, and had some sort of spackle. So whoever took care of this in 1990 definitely framed it for durability. But it's just crazy how it came up with that, and all I had to do was have my normal title come over from where I'm cross-listing from. So let's do another one just to show you guys how easy it is. So I have this photograph, which is in plastic on a cardboard backing. It's a print, I'm assuming, like a reprint. A little creepy. There are some creepy dolls over here. This little girl does not, she's not dead. My friends did say, well, maybe this is a funeral photo. No, she is very much alive. You can still see her soul in her eyes, I promise you. She just wants somebody to have a tea party with her. So again, I have no idea how to describe this. So let's see where that goes. I'm going to copy this just so that stays, because it doesn't go off of this and it doesn't keep what's in here. It just goes off of your title. And I mean, these, I'll take that eventually, but it doesn't go by any of that either. So it just goes off your title, I believe. So we're going to suggest description. You get 250 of these per month for now. They're going to have different plans and different things. They started with that. They'll see how much people use or what happens. You also get extras depending on if you have a VA account underneath of you or things like that. A hauntingly, yeah, amen to that, beautiful photograph featuring a girl from the 1890s as a Christmas tea party. The image captures the essence of the era with a creepy doll and a towering Christmas tree, highlighting her playtime. I love it. I'm not going to change that. I think that's great. It's weird, but so is this picture. And then it lists, it puts it in bullet points as well for people that like to skim. And then it puts all these keywords down here, and you can, reject. If you reject one of these, it'll just clear it out and it won't copy them. You can come in here and add things, delete things, whatever you need to do. So I do that, and then I hit accept, and it copies it in here automatically. I'm going to take this out of here. It doesn't need any of this. Oh, I should put whoops, black and white. Pre-owned, good condition. I always put 0 for MSRP so that when I cross list things to Poshmark, it automatically puts 0 as the worth of it. You know, that one where we like to put 0 in anyways. And I do like 12 by 2 here. And and then this is what I wanted to show you. The tags go here. So it automatically puts those in there. You can suggest others, you can add, you can whatever. Yeah, and then all you have to do is save, and it's that simple. It's now in ListPerfectly for me to cross list wherever I want with this beautiful description. So if you have any questions, become a pro member, become a referral member, reach out to us. We can answer them for you. We have an amazing ListPerfectly community. I'm sure most of you are already in it. And if you want these cool features among many more that I've barely even explored so far, give us a shout and we will help you out with it. Thank you.